Good morning. So we are checking out of our first hotel in Hamilton, and we're waiting for my dad to bring the car so we can load up all our luggage, and we're gonna head on to the boardwalk and I will show you what it looks like. It's so pretty. I cannot wait, and I cannot wait to eat breakfast because my stomach is literally eating itself. I'm so hungry. So yeah, see you when we get to the boardwalk. Bye. We ate breakfast at the boardwalk. I didn't show anything, but I'll show you what it looks like when we get back later. Now we are in Epcot. We're walking through the, what is this called? International Gateway? Yeah, we're walking through that.
We're walking through the gateway.
Hey, Mom and Dad.
Hello.
Now we are on our way to ride Soarin', I think, right?
Oh, Canada!
Yep, we love Christmas. I love Canada. I will be back. We're not going to Soarin' yet. I think the line's really long. Hey, Dad.
Hey. We're at Nemo.
Yup.
Under the sea.
Yeah. Hello. So we just got off the Frozen ride, and I haven't really been vlogging much because it's been pouring rain. Like, my feet are absolutely soaked. But we went to Via Napoli or Via Napoli, whatever you call it. It was so good, and now we're just walking around. We're trying to see if we can make another Fast Pass because we have one later for Nemo, but we don't want to use it again since we already rode it this morning. So we are just gonna see what else we can do. So we're gonna go back to the room later and change like shoes and clothes and stuff. So yeah, right now we are in the Mexico Pavilion, just looking around, trying to kill some time before our room is ready so we can go back and change. It's so pretty in here. It's gonna show us our juggling talents. She said she doesn't know if she can do it.
I'm gonna try.
Video. My favorite Grand Fiesta Tour. Oh yeah. Oh, I just ran into a pole. Dang it! Also, I just got a Band-Aid from the first aid center. I've never been in there before. Destin, wasn't that first aid center so cool?
I can't hear you.
Wasn't that first aid center so cool?
First aid was
Phenomenal.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, phenomenal.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
Yeah.
First aid.
You ever need a
at
Band-Aid?
Epcot, Future
Yep.
World.
Come and get it.
Come get it. They got Band-Aids. They got medicine.
Hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer.
Anything you need, go get it from the first aid center. Which one did you get?
Viva.
Ah. How is it? Be-balicious?
It's okay.
We just finished at Club Cool, and now we're just sitting in this little area, chilling. Yeah, propping the feet up. They're soaking wet from earlier, but they're starting to dry out a little bit. People just walked past and stared me down into my soul. Thanks! just got back to the boardwalk. We're gonna see if our room is ready. Destin, say an inspirational quote.
If you believe, you will receive.
All right, that was your act for today.
So come back later.
There's more.
Come back later. I'll have more quotes, more funny jokes, and who knows, maybe even a cool trick.
Maybe like a dance or
Maybe
something.
a front roll.
Yeah, we don't know.
Maybe,
We'll see.
Maybe
Like some action moves.
Come on now.
All right, man.
Mine don't work.
Because it's not time yet.
Try yours.
Okay. Ah,
Ha.
thank you. Ah, warm towels. What up? Goodbye. Okay, we are staying at the boardwalk, and I thought I'd do a little room tour. So when you first walk in, there's just this little cabinet thing. It's just a little drawer with some coffees and cups and stuff. And then in here is a mini fridge, just normal mini fridge. And we have a little Keurig and an ice little holder and a closet, pillows, robes. Next is the bathroom, and they give us a lot of soaps and stuff. Another little mirror, 2 vanities, and then just normal toilet, shower and bath. Yep. It smells really good in here too. And it's all nice and neat. This is so cute. And then they have this little music time thing going. Couch, beds, little desk, and I don't know what view we have because we just got in. Oh, it's a garden view. Let's see if I can get out of here. Pretty. Yep, this is our view. That's everything. Super nice. So yeah, stay at the boardwalk because it is super fancy and nice. Bye. Hello. So we are about to leave the hotel again and go back to Epcot because we left to come get our room and eat a snack. And now we're on our way back. So see you there.
We're out here. We're live. We're at the hotel. And we're going to Epcot. Okay. We're gonna have Chinese food, dessert, cheese fondue, Mickey bars.
The
We're gonna have a stomach ache.
Yes.
We're gonna have
I'm gonna wait for mom and
probably beverages. We're gonna have sweet tea.
dad. No, we don't have sweet tea there.
We're gonna have
Unsweet
Sprite.
tea.
We're gonna have Sprite. We're gonna have Shirley Temples. We're gonna have unsweet tea. We're gonna have a fun time. All here at Epcot.
We're not at Epcot.
We're going there.
Here we go.
I'm supercharged. I had 6 shots of espresso.
Not all in one sitting, by the way.
3 in one sitting.
Yeah, 3 in one sitting, and then 2. No, you only had 5 because you had 2 this
I
morning.
had 2 this morning, 1 for lunch, and 3 just now.
I only had, wait, I had 2 this morning. Oh, I only had 4
Our
today.
resort has an espresso machine. It's lit.
Here's the beautiful boardwalk. So pretty.
It might rain. Look at the clouds.
Yeah, it might rain. I don't know. So we just got finished at Nine Dragons. It was really, 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 really good. We didn't ride Test Track earlier because we walked up and it was closed. So that's what we're gonna go do now. So I will maybe vlog on it. I don't know if I want to bring my camera like out. I might put it in the backpack, but we will see.
Well, let's go on Test Track.
Where are we going?
Test Track.
Woo, Test Track, baby. Finished product. Destin, how do you feel about it?
I feel like we're about to win this whole thing. Like, of all Test Track, we just built the best car.
We'll see.
It looks ugly, but it's a winner.
Yep. Just got off Test Track. Now we are going to Spaceship Earth, I think. Yeah.
I know what the way it is now.
We waited 80 minutes for Test Track, but it was definitely worth the wait. It was really fun this time. So yeah, now we're going to Spaceship Earth. Okay, we are leaving Epcot. I'm not gonna vlog us walking out because it's gonna be crazy because the fireworks just ended, or they're going on, I don't know. Are they going on right now? I mean, it's 9 o'clock.
They might start at 9:30.
Yeah. Oh, hopefully we can get out of here before 9:30. But World Showcase is gonna be very packed and that's where we have to leave. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. And tomorrow we're going to Animal Kingdom, so I'll see you then. Bye!